Let's install our barrel tensioners. You'll need a tape measure, drill, 3/8 inch drill bit, 1/2 inch ratchet, 3/4 inch socket wrench, and a utility knife. Now let's install a one-way barrel tensioner. Using your bracket template, mark your post. Using a bracket as a guide, mark center point for the pilot hole. Using a drill and 3/8 drill bit, drill a pilot hole 4 inches deep. Now attach the one-way barrel tensioner with a lag bolt, washer, and grommet in that order. Note: do not over-tighten the lag bolt. Barrel tensioner should fit snugly on the post, but can still be moved with slight pressure. When using one-way barrel tensioner with hot rail, you will need to include a piece of ISO pad 6 inches by 7 inches between the barrel tensioner and the post, attaching barrel tensioner with lag bolt, washer, and grommet in that order. Do not over-tighten the lag bolt. Barrel tensioner should fit snugly on the post, but can still be moved with slight pressure. Now let's tension the rail. With assistance, remove as much slack in the rail as possible before cutting off excess material. Hold the rail up to the barrel tensioner and mark the rail as shown. If your fence is less than 200 feet, then mark the rail at point A. If your fence is 200 to 450 feet, then mark the rail at point B. For fence between 450 and 660 feet, mark the rail at C. Once the rail is marked, cut the polymer using a straight edge to ensure that the end of the rail will be square. Insert the end of the rail into the slot on the barrel tensioner. Using a 1/2 inch drive ratchet, begin turning the barrel to wrap the rail. If the rail is feeding from the left, rotate the barrel counterclockwise. If the rail is feeding from the right, rotate the barrel clockwise. Using the square locking block at the bottom of the barrel to prevent the rail from uncoiling. Tensioning rail with the one-way barrel tensioner with an ISO pad attached is the same procedure as tensioning without the ISO pad.